Hi, this is Charlie Zeiss with Stargate Pyramids. If you're like a lot of our customers who are ordering pyramids online, people ask me questions all the time about whether enhancements are necessary, whether they should order them, whether they should wait, how they should go about dealing with pyramid energy enhancements. So if you're one of those people, this video is going to be for you because I'm going to try to outline for you a strategy for your pyramid that hopefully will be helpful. First and foremost, there are going to be three basic structures that you can buy from Stargate Pyramids. There's the completely unenhanced pyramid. There's a pyramid that's going to have the quartz sand enhancement in the base pipes. And then finally, there's a third option, which is to put a custom capstone, which would be ordered separately into your pyramid, and order that from Flower of Life Energy Healing. So a lot of people say, well, how do I do this? How do I proceed? What do I know which way I'd like to go? Well, I'm going to offer up a strategy now, and I think this will be helpful, hopefully, in a lot of people figuring this out. First of all, a simple strategy is to order the plain pyramid with no quartz sand and no custom capstone initially, and see if that works for you from an energetic standpoint. Now, I'm going to say that most people will feel the energy of the unenhanced pyramid. Some people are not. I'm going to say that the unenhanced pyramid, perhaps 20% of the people will not feel an energy field. Once you put the quartz sand into the base pipes of the pyramid, I would say that that number is going to drop down to about 5%. So consider yourself, think about how energy sensitive you are. When making even that decision, if you don't want to go through the fuss and muss of putting it in yourself, the additional cost is only $30. If you get the pyramid and you decide that you're highly energy sensitive, all you have to do is take it out. Or alternatively, you can always put the sand in yourself. All you're going to need is number 8 corks. I've got a separate video on that, and it'll show you how to proceed. So the worst case for everyone would be, if you want to start from the beginning, consider buying the unenhanced pyramid and putting in the quartz sand yourself, or put it in, and if you decide you don't need it later, take it out. And then finally, with respect, once you have made that decision, whether you want the quartz sand or not inside the pyramid, then live with that for a while and see if you'd still like additional energy enhancements. And if that's the case, then the custom capstone would certainly be your next option. Lisa Richards at Flower of Life Energy Healing has a multitude of options available. She'll do some diagnostic work with you. She's an intuitive, and she can take your photograph and make some intuitive decisions in discussion with you as to what you may want to put into that custom capstone should you desire to get one. So each and every one of these enhancements is going to add to the energy field. On the cover, you wonder why I had the gasoline fill-up options there. That's really the way I like to look at this. The unenhanced pyramid, I kind of like to think of as the 87 octane. When I put the quartz sand into the base, then it becomes sort of the 89 octane. And then with Lisa's custom capstone, you're up to premium or 93 octane when you put all three together. So I don't know if this is helpful, but always before you decide not to do anything from indecision, give us a ring and I'll be happy to discuss this with you further. But I hope that giving you kind of a strategy as to how to proceed if this has been holding you up will help you in your decision-making process. As always, I thank you for watching. Please tell your friends about Stargate Pyramids. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell. Let's try to get to 10,000 as soon as we can. I thank you for watching, and you have a great day.